In this video today, we're sharing with you the 4th week of the work that's been going on in our house in Surin, Thailand. Please, if you like the content, reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. Still got to do wall tiles mostly everywhere. Okay, I'm on the 3rd floor, looking down the stairwell. Let's see if I can view down below. It's not as big as like in motels where you really see a distance down below. But anyhow, this is going to be a lot of exercise for us. Okay, this is, oh hell, I don't even know how many days. Been around 3 weeks here. I'll figure that out and I'll put it in the comments. It's where we just came from, up the 3rd floor. They're just getting here, getting ready to start working. I'm trying to make sure I keep the recording in the video. We have the pieces to put back on the wall there. So luckily we didn't lose that. Entry going outside, entryway. And the living room. Another bedroom inside that door. I guess this would be a dining room, but it's right by the toilets. But anyhow, it's probably what it is. And there are the Thai toilets. And right here is the kitchen. Checking to make sure that the window alignment is exactly the same as this window here. And also the alignment this way. So we're going to do the same thing on the upper part. This line just continues on over the top, all the way to the back. So they're not just doing this okie-dokie, it's actually very professionally laid out. Let's see, they cut this door out going into the kitchen now. So it's ready for the new door. The glass guy's coming to put it in. Got the tile floor all broke up off of the other section here so we can extend the walls. You know, finished cutting the rest of these doorways out. They just have to cut the steel off on it now. So they're both done. I see they shot the laser on to make sure what they're putting in. Looking good. Progress moving still. Started taking the concrete off, the tiles off in here. I see it's coming off of the concrete a little easier on this one. Very difficult. A lot of tile removed. It's very hard to come off. They hired 2 more guys to come to work today. I'm going to have to put her to work. She's just standing there, not getting much done. Yeah, those came off of that. Okay, with this center wall here, it's so hard breaking this tile that we have decided, as you can see, it's already breaking holes in it. So we're just going to tear this wall out and rebuild the wall from the start all the way out. Problems of renovation, onward we go. I see Champan got the window mud done, so it's just about ready. He said be finished today to put the new window in.
Very nice. Beautiful.
Nice job.
Yum. Yum.
Champan.
Smiling. Yum.
In the kitchen, they finished finally getting all the tile off the wall and the lower part where the sinks or the cabinets used to be. Oh, making good progress. Oh yeah, they'll finish this one today too. They're down just that last little piece there. Yeah, definitely making good progress now. Still, it's so slow to the tear down part, slow. Okay, they're breaking out the bottom ledge here. They're going to pour this floor all equal to this part back here. And they're going to tear this wall out, like I said yesterday, and they're going to rebuild it all the way back out to where this floor is here, ties up to this cross beam. They got it cleaned up in here, and the window opening is finished, ready now for them to bring the glass. Yeah, it's starting to get exciting now. Things are going to start going more quickly. Yeah, it did a really good job. It's such a hard job at that. So now they can do the repaint in here. It's got all the red dust from the tear down. But they only had one coat of paint done on this room anyhow. So now it's ready, they can finish the painting. I see they broke this little entryway tile piece off now finally too. Let's check the other room. Oh yeah, I got it broke off too. Okay, the toilet and sink half of the Thai style bathroom is completely stripped now. So it's ready for finished work and new tile. And this is the shower half. It'll be shower and sink in this half. And it's nearly done as well. They should finish this today. They just informed us that on Monday, it's the 1st, so they're not able to work. It's Thai Labor Day. Okay, they've got scaffolding set up in here to make it easier to tear the tile off of the side and back wall. And as I said already before, they're tearing this wall down completely. Okay, here we're just informed that they're coming to put the new window in tomorrow, which is a good thing. It'll be enclosed for Monday for the holiday. We hope you've enjoyed this week's review of the work being done in our house. Please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps our channel in the analytics. Share it with your friends if you would. This is Bobby and Jai. Time to get going. Out.